This is Glenn Rice with Clearview Sewer Cams. We're located at 5370 Whitman Road, Hidden Hills, California, 91302. We're performing a video waste and sewer line inspection through a 3-inch ABS cleanout located at the lower end of the property at the large guest house, at the rear of the large guest house next to the basketball court. And this is our 3-inch ABS waste line cleanout here, and this is the basketball area here at the rear of the property, and this goes up towards the main house up in that area there. Again, what we're going to do is we're going to zero out our camera here, and we're just going to push through and take a really good look at the waste and sewer line here. So we're going to go ahead and drop down. And it does appear to be black ABS waste line. What we're going to do is we're going to push out to approximately 20 feet, and we'll locate this area just to get an idea of which direction we're heading. So what we're going to do is we'll push out, and we'll pull back to take a really good look. So we'll push out in this area here, and what we'll do is we'll pause here for a moment. We'll just locate this area just to see which direction we're running. So we're going to pause here for a moment. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and we are at about 1 foot 8 inches deep, and this is just outside the kitchen window of the large guest house. And again, it does appear that we are holding some water in this area, so what we're going to do is we're just going to continue to push out. What we'll do is we'll push out approximately another 20 feet, 30 feet, and we'll pause and locate that area as well. We're just going to go ahead and continue to push out. What we'll do is we'll pause here at approximately 60 feet, and what we'll do is we'll pause for a moment and locate this area. So we'll pause here for a moment. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and it's just in the grass area just in front of the large guest house. So again, we're just going to pause our mic here, and we're going to push out to approximately another 70 feet, and we'll locate that area, possibly going across the large yard in between the two guest units. So we'll pause here for a moment. Okay, we're going to pause here for a moment and locate this area. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and it is in the middle of the grass in between the two guest units at 2 foot 8 inches deep. And it just appears that is possibly a tie-in in that area. And again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to push out. And what we'll do, we'll push out to approximately 130 feet, and then from there we'll pause for a moment and we'll locate that area as well. Okay, we're going to go ahead and run a little bit of water just to help us push out. So we're just going to wait for the water to catch up, and then we'll continue to push out. So we'll pause here. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and it is at 2 foot 8 inches deep. And this is just along the walkway next to the pool pump equipment. And as you can see, as we pull back, we are right here at a 45-degree turn, and we are dropping down. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and continue to push out. There's something there. Might have to move. See right there?
Yeah. We're so far out, and that there are so many turns we can't push out into.
Yeah.
That's it. Go. Okay, we've resumed recording, and we're going to continue to pull back now. We're pulling back from the area that we marked by the pool pump equipment area. We're holding some water right there. We had water running as well. It's flowing, and it may be flowing into a tank. There is a steel lid that's back behind the small guest house. And we already looked at all the ABS. They're just going to continue to pull back. Then we're going to move our camera equipment. To the small guest house, there's a 2-inch ABS plastic clean out. We're going to run through there and see if we can possibly get into a transition and maybe into a tank or get out to the bridle trail area. We'll find out here shortly. Pause for a moment. Okay, we're going to continue to pull back. We have ABS plastic pipe and fittings, the entire length of the piping that we were able to run. Pulling back toward our ABS plastic waste line and sewer line clean out. That will conclude our inspection from here, and we will relocate to the small guest house. Okay, we relocated our camera equipment to the small guest house now. We're right below the kitchen window outside. There's a clean out here. Our pool equipment area back behind us. We're going to insert our camera into the 2-inch ABS plastic clean out. see where this takes us. We're just going to run in, and then when we pull out, we'll take a look. I believe we're dropping down into what might be a tank. We're running through more piping, and there's our tank right here. You can see those are check valves right there. That is our tank. So we're just going to locate this area real quick. We're going to pause. Okay, we located the tank, which is on the side. It's by the pool equipment area. There's a big square tank lid. We don't know where this line gets pumped up to, but it does. Both of the guest houses go to a sewage ejection system. I'm going to pull back now. Pull back and pull out of our waste line and sewer line clean out. That will conclude our video waste line and sewer line inspections of the guest houses.